What's up, guys? It's me, Juan Pablo from 100% Finance at 100%finance.com. This is Cash Flow, Mr. Passive Income, the people's mentor. I got what you need to succeed. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I greatly appreciate your viewership. Topic of discussion for today is, if you have cash, do you still need credit for real estate investing? I'm a full-time real estate investor, an online entrepreneur, but I network a ton. And when I network with people who are pretty much well off financially speaking. They have a ton of cash in the bank because they're business owners. I love business, right? Whether it's the business of real estate investing or the business of online business, brick and mortar businesses, franchises, I love it all. Now I don't have my hands in every single pot, but moving forward, I would like to. You know, I want to be that serial entrepreneur who's diversified where his portfolio is concerned, right? I just think it's so dope. I think it's cool, right? And if you're actually wondering where I'm at, I'm in New York City, just doing a workcation, meaning I like to travel away and do work. So I'm not escaping my job, right, the 9 to 5, because I enjoy what I do, which is online business, educating people and providing them the tools they need to succeed financially. I find great satisfaction in that, gratification, extremely gratified. But I just like different scenery. So during the day, I'll do my work, whatever, because we're in the age of the internet, right? You can work as long as you have a phone connection and some type of device with internet. It's that simple. So I'm still getting work in. So I'm just in New York City on the rooftop, just enjoying it, just diving full face into the lifestyle. And that's what I want you to do. Have enough passive income for your real estate portfolio that you can work remotely. We say, hey, once a month, that's what I'm doing now. You can say, hey, once a month, I want to do a different city and just work a few days out the month. I always do like a Wednesday through Saturday, and it's a different city once a month. Those are goals, people, financial goals, hashtag. You can do it as long as you set your mind to it. So let's get back into the subject, right? Sorry for diverting my attention to something different, right? Going off on a tangent. So I network a lot, people who got money, right? And they come to me and they ask for some advice because I'm in real estate and they want to get dabbled to real estate. And they say, hey, I got X amount of dollars, 6 figures, whatever the amount is. Can I still pursue real estate? And I said, yeah, of course. But you have to buy the property cash, unless you're partnering with someone who has the experience and the credit, like someone like me, for example. Someone who's a triple threat. You know, you have the cash, you have the credit, and you got the know-how. And that's why I want you to be that triple threat. But if you don't, unfortunately, you just gotta buy them cash, you know. And I don't advise it because what's our model? 100% finance. Getting an income-producing asset like real estate, and you're financing it 100%. So as I'm conversing with my colleagues, the people I network with, I'm like, at the end of the day, you need to get credit. And they've always tell me the same old thing. Juan Pablo, I wish I would have met you sooner. I wish I would have known this sooner, because I've always been taught to be cash rich. I said, well, yeah, you focus on being cash rich, which is a great thing, by the way. I'm not negating that. I'm not trying to take anything away from that. Everybody wants to be cash rich, duh, right? But don't be credit poor. Don't be credit poor. Be credit rich as well as cash rich. So can you get started in real estate investing, to answer the question? With poor credit? Yes. You will have to buy houses cash, use creative financing, okay? So if you're doing master lease options, yes, you can. But in regard to financing deals, like with a mortgage, with seller financing, getting business credit, and all those other creative financing tools that we teach at 100% Finance, that'll be a hard bargain. You gotta have credit. So if you're in a situation where you think, okay, I got some savings, Juan Pablo, I got 40, I got 25,000, I got 50, I got 100,000 in the bank. Excellent, great job. I do applaud you for that. That's excellent. But still work on your credit. I want you to be that triple threat. Work on your credit, get business credit, check the link below, as well as increase your know-how, your business acumen. If you know all that, you get the know-how, you get the money and the credit, there's no limit to how many deals you can do. The world's your oyster for real estate investing, and you can do it. Just check the links below if you need more information. Just showing you a view of the rooftop. Just to let you know this lifestyle is attainable. I used to live outside of New York City, in Jersey City. I used to live in New York City for a minute until I bought a house in Jersey City. But the price point of real estate was just way too high, like the heights of these buildings. And I decided, you know what, I'm just going to invest out of state. I'm just going to invest in a different market. And here I am, just investing in a different market. I get more bang for my buck. So I also teach that in the program, how to invest out of state, how to raise the capital, because a lot of people say, oh, it takes money to make money. Well, you just got to get access to money. It doesn't take money to make money. And if that's the case, it just takes other people's money to make money. But you can do it. All right, guys, so this is to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately, and let's get this money via real estate. I'm about to meet up with an old friend of mine for lunch. See some other rooftops. But it's to your success. Peace.